Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Transforming your home to exude an expensive and luxurious vibe doesn't have to break the bank. With a little creativity and resourcefulness, you can elevate your living space without spending a fortune. Here are 10 affordable hacks to give your home a high-end feel. Upgrade hardware. Swap out outdated cabinet handles, drawer pulls, and door knobs with sleek and modern alternatives. Opt for finishes like brushed brass or matte black for an upscale touch that instantly elevates the look of your kitchen or bathroom. Add statement lighting. Invest in a statement chandelier or pendant light to serve as a focal point in your living room or dining area. Even a budget-friendly fixture can make a big impact and create a sense of luxury. Embrace wall art. Decorate your walls with inexpensive yet eye-catching artwork or framed prints. Look for affordable options at thrift stores, online marketplaces, or create your own gallery wall using family photos or postcards. Accessorize with mirrors. Strategically placing mirrors throughout your home can make it feel larger and more upscale. Look for affordable options at discount stores or thrift shops and use them to reflect natural light and open up your space. Invest in quality textiles. Upgrade your throw pillows, blankets, and curtains with high-quality fabrics like velvet, linen, or faux fur. Mixing textures and layering textiles can instantly add depth and sophistication to your decor. DIY custom shelving. Create custom shelving units using inexpensive materials like wood planks and industrial pipe fittings. Install them in your living room or home office to display books, plants, and decorative items in a stylish and organized manner. Paint your front door. Boost your home's curb appeal by giving your front door a fresh coat of paint in a bold or elegant color. This simple update can make a big impact and give your home a more polished and inviting look. Refurbish furniture. Give old or outdated furniture a new lease on life by refinishing or painting it in a modern color. You can also add decorative hardware or upholstery to customize the piece and make it feel more luxurious. Create a luxe bedding ensemble. Invest in a few high-quality bedding essentials like a plush duvet cover, soft sheets, and fluffy pillows. Layer them together with a cozy throw blanket and decorative cushions to create a hotel-inspired bed that feels indulgent and inviting. Incorporate greenery. Bring life and freshness into your home by adding indoor plants to your decor. Choose low-maintenance varieties like succulents or snake plants and display them in stylish pots or planters to add a touch of nature and sophistication to any room. By implementing these affordable hacks, you can easily elevate the look and feel of your home without breaking the bank. With a little creativity and attention to detail, you can create a space that looks and feels expensive, even on a budget.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!